The video was recorded during a DUI, driving under the influence, operation in Gwinnett County in April 2024. Police observe a car making a U-turn at a red light and pull it over. They smell marijuana and alcohol coming from the car. The driver is Gloria Woods, known as Glorilla. The officer asks Woods to step out of the vehicle and show her ID. Woodsy denies having consumed any alcohol or drugs, but the officer conducts a field sobriety test and notices some signs. The officer arrests Woods on suspicion of DUI and reads her rights. They then search the car and find marijuana. Woods claims the marijuana is not hers, but the police arrest her. This incident marks Woods' second legal trouble in Georgia within a year.
Your eyes only, okay? Don't move your head. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Don't move your head.
I'm not drunk, I'm telling y'all.
Once you start this evaluation, I don't want you to stop. Do you understand? Until you have completed it. You understand?
Now let me know when to turn.
No, ma'am, that's on you.
You gonna trick me?
No, ma'am, I explained it to you. Do I need to explain it to you again?
So walk, as soon as I get to 9, turn around and do another 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say it with me while I do it?
No, ma'am, this is on you.
Because I don't want to mess up and you blame it on me.
No, ma'am, this
Okay,
is your evaluation, okay?
All right, I'm ready.
You start whenever you want to.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Raise your foot 6 inches. Okay? Hands by your side, keep them both straight. And count out loud. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23.
All right, you can stop.
On a quiet residential street, a police officer approaches a black Acura SUV with its rear door open, revealing the officer's tactical gear and the vehicle's license plate. The officer engages with the driver, questioning the validity of the license plate, which appears to be a point of concern. The interaction escalates as the officer detects the odor of marijuana emanating from the vehicle, prompting further scrutiny. Despite the driver's explanations, the officer decides to detain the individual, ordering them to step out of the vehicle. The situation intensifies as the officer reiterates the command, leading to a physical intervention. The scene captures the tension and procedural steps involved in a routine traffic stop that rapidly evolves into a more serious encounter, highlighting the challenges and dynamics of law enforcement interactions in public spaces. In the background, green leaf trees and parked vehicles indicate that the event occurs in an ordinary neighborhood setting. The officer's demeanor is both authoritative and controlled, but the driver's resistance complicates the situation further. Such interactions pose significant challenges to the safety of both law enforcement officers and civilians, often creating emotional and physical tension.
Now you're under arrest. Step out. Step out.
Don't touch.
Step out.
Please don't touch.
Step out of the car. You're under arrest.
Please don't touch me.
Step out of the car or I'm going to pull you out of the car.
You know, I'm down the street and the
Step
cops
out.
supposedly pulled me over. I'm parked. I literally parked my car before they even tried to get behind me. And now this man trying to pull me out the car.
Get out. You're under arrest.
He said I'm under arrest.
Get out. Get out of the car.
I'm down the street
Miss,
from the house.
I'm going to tell you one more time.
Okay.
Get out.
You want me to get out of my car?
Yep, I do. Get out. Get out or I'm going to pull you out.
Heard me?
Okay. All right,
okay.
we're done. Get out. Get out.
Don't fucking
out.
touch.
Get
Why you
out.
pull me out my car?
Get out.
Why you pull
You're
me?
under arrest. Now get out.
Oh, JB.
Get out. Okay, this is how we're going to do this.
On July 30th, 2025, a dramatic police chase occurred in a rural area, captured by a law enforcement officer's body camera footage. The officer repeatedly commanded the driver of a red car to stop the fucking car, but the car continued to move. The officer shouted, "Put on the fucking brakes!" As the pursuit continued and eventually, the red car came to a halt in a dusty open area. The officer's reaction, "Oh man," indicated a mix of relief and concern due to the hazardous nature of the chase and its resolution. This incident once again highlighted the dangers and complexities of high-speed police chases